Welcome back, students. I hope you have watched the first part of this chapter, that is, how do organisms reproduce. If you have not watched the first part, then click on this I button and watch the first part, then come to this video and then watch the second part. Clear? Now, in this video, I will discuss the types of asexual reproduction. First, we start with fission. Let's start, students. Now, students, tell me, have you ever heard the term fusion or fission in your previous classes? Your answer might be yes, sir. We have listened the word or saw the word fission, but we have never seen the word fusion in our previous classes. Now, I will tell you the basic difference between fission and fusion. Now, look here. In fusion, basically two or more molecules combine together and form a single molecule. While in fission, a large molecule will split or divide or breaks into two or more molecules. Now, I think the difference between fusion and fission is clear now. Now, in this chapter, we will discuss fission. Basically, in fission, what will happen? A unicellular organism divides into two or more organisms. So, basically, if a question comes in your examination, then define fission. You have simply write down fission is a process in which a unicellular organism divides into two or more organisms. Clear? Now, first of all, we will discuss the types of fission. There will be two types. First one is binary fission and the second type is multiple fission. Now, first we discuss binary fission in amoeba. Binary fission in amoeba. Now, in binary fission, a single organism is divided into two parts. आपने सुना होगा ना, बाइनरी नंबर्स होते हैं 0 and 1. तो बेसिकली 0 and 1 टोटल कितना हुआ? 2 नंबर्स. बाई मीन्स 2. मीन्स इन दिस बाइनरी फिजन a single organism divides into two organisms. Let's an example of amoeba. As you all know, amoeba has an irregular shape. Amoeba की कैसी shape होती है? Irregular होती है. Now this is the nucleus and this is the cytoplasm present in the amoeba. Cytoplasm, this is the nucleus, and in first case we have write down parent amoeba. Then in second step the nucleus लेंथन्स मीन्स ये जो न्यूक्लियस है ये थोड़ा सा क्या होगा बेटा, इसका जो साइज है वो आपको लेंथेंड होता हुआ दिखाई देगा, थोड़ा फ्लैट स्ट्रेच होता हुआ दिखाई देगा. देन we simply write down nucleus lengthens. Now third step, in this the nucleus will break into two parts, and this process in which nucleus breaks into two parts, that is known as karyokinesis. Now the nucleus divides into two parts. This is known as karyokinesis. In this, karyo word comes from nucleus, and this kinesis means division. Kinesis means division. Means in this step the nucleus divided into two parts. Now in next step, the cytoplasm also divided into two portions. This is known as cytokinesis. Cyto word comes from cytoplasm and kinesis words come from division. Means in this process cytoplasm divides into two parts, and then finally it will divided into two daughter amoebae. So basically, let's revise the whole process. First of all, cell have a particular small spherical structure. Then in the second step, the nucleus lengthens. In the third steps, nucleus divided into two parts, which is known as karyokinesis. Then in the next part, the cytoplasm also gets divided, which is known as cytokinesis. And in the last part, the amoeba gets divided into two daughter amoebae. That's how the binary fission occurs in amoeba. Now binary fission will occur in other organisms also, like in paramecium, in leishmania, and other many more. Now let's discuss multiple fission.